everyone. Today I'm going to talk about essential oils and how to use it in your daily life. In fact, I use essential oils as a way of life and it has really helped me right through my life. So the first oil I'm going to talk about is jasmine. Now jasmine is excellent for this weather and it's excellent for monsoons, excellent for summers. It's excellent in fact all the time because it really, when you feel depressed, you feel low, you don't feel great, just take some jasmine oil, put it in your hands and smell it. It feels wonderful and it will straight away pep you up. The other oil I'm going to talk about is neroli. Neroli is an oil that helps to relieve stress. So you can use it in potpourri, wherever you're sitting. You can use it in your bath water. It's excellent to relieve stress and it also helps you to calm down and it will help you to relax and sleep. And the last oil that I love is rosemary because that is a pep up oil and there are many mornings when I don't feel like, really getting up, going for my exercise or work. I put a few drops in a mug of water and pour it over me and there I am all set for the day.